It has been narrated that the first night in the grave is the most fearful and difficult for the dead person. That is why when they have been buried, it is recommended to recite Salatul Wahshat, the prayer of the burial night. This prayer can be said at any time of the night, but it has been recommended to be read after the Isha prayers. So how is it that it should be read? According to jurisprudential sources, there are two ways of performing this prayer. The first one being, in the first rakat, after reciting Surat Al-Hamd, one should recite Ayatul Kursi. And in the second rakat, one should recite Surat Al-Hamd and recite Surat Al-Qadr 10 times after. And in the second method, in the first rak'ah, one should recite Surah Al-Hamd and Surat Al-Tawheed 2 times. And in the second rak'ah, one should recite Surat Al-Hamd and Surat Al-Takathur 10 times. And after ending the namaz in any of these methods, reciting a salawat and then pray as follows. وَابْعَثْ ثَوَابَهَا إِلَىٰ قَبْرِهِ, and then you can mention the name of the deceased person. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has said, no time passes on the deceased more difficult than the first night in grave. So have pity on your dead ones and give alms in their behalf. And if you cannot, perform 2 rak'ahs of prayers for them. On that moment, God will send to his grave thousands of angels, each of whom carries an outfit for the deceased, and broaden the narrowness of the grave till the day of the blowing of the trumpet, and give the performer of the prayer as many good deeds as the things the sun shines upon, and raise him 40 levels.